Right, on this 18 Connect van, there's the oil filter. I took all the cover off here, so I was going to change the oil pressure switch. Just general things, you don't need oil and filterings and everything else. I thought I'll change it. But there's no oil pressure switch. I couldn't find it anywhere. So I looked around, and in the end I had to look in the Heinz manual. I don't normally do that, but there it is. It's in the head. Normally you've got an oil pressure switch, but at the bottom, at the side of the oil filter. But for some reason it's there. So if you're looking for an oil pressure switch on a Ford 1800 diesel, there it is. So that's what I'm going to do now. And there it is. Let's put the socket on it. And there you go. Wind the puppy out. There you go. And if you want an easy way to do it with a socket, it is a spark plug socket, and it's your normal spark plug socket, which is where we're looking, 1316, the spark plug socket, and it fits perfectly where I'm looking. It fits perfectly. So if I pull that one out, put the other one in. There you go, just wire it in now. I should just put that ratchet on just to do the last bit. Press the button in there. There you go. Just push that on a bit better now. Doing it one hand is a bit awkward. Just push on pause. And there's it fitted on. I've just got to put the breather pipe back on now. Onto there. And then put the clip down. So that's where the oil pressure switch is located. And I thought, well, you know what I thought did, don't you? Yep, it's at the top.